Hey everyone, my name is Jeff, and for the next 8, hopefully to 10 minutes, I'll be your spokesman. I'm from the Boxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is super easy. It's www.theboxxmen.com. We are the Boxman.com, and we believe no one does it better than us. Hey, if this is your first time, maybe to our YouTube channel, maybe you found us on Rumble, or maybe someone referred this channel, I just want to thank you for being here. I've been growing this channel organically since a few years ago. YouTube decided to make some arrangements or changes to my original channel, and they took it down and all that stuff. But since then, I've tried to grow and have grown and built this very organically. I'm currently at 900,000 views. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but over 900,000 people have tuned in and watched a video, whether for 20 seconds or whether for the full length. And I am grateful for that amount of people. I want to go right into this video and just cover two things. One, is Real-Debrid really gone? And two, I want to share with you a trick on the Formuler device that kind of blew my mind. So let's get right into it. Is Real-Debrid really gone? Now, if you don't know what Real-Debrid is, I don't need to show you a picture. I don't need to show you all of that. I'm going to tell you. It is a scraper that people subscribe to. In other words, a scraper allows me as a consumer to connect to different applications over the internet that will give me access to premium links. Real-Debrid is one of the oldest scrapers. I should say not oldest, one of the most, if not the most popular one. There's another one called Premiumize. There's another one called All-Debrid. A couple of days ago or over this weekend, it completely went down. I couldn't watch anything, and I've been here before, and there's some information that they have to change something, and all of a sudden the fear-based mongers start going out. It's going away. You got to get your Fire Stick. And I understand, don't get me wrong, but if you've been in streaming long or long enough, one thing goes down, 14 things come up. So my suggestion is Real-Debrid is not gone. Let me answer that. Two, my suggestion is get to know other things. Like All-Debrid, go check them out. Premiumize, go check them out. It's absolutely free on the internet, and it doesn't cost you much to see if it fits who you are. Just in case something like this happens, you have a backup. Now, the second part of the video, I think it's way more fun. And I was going through the Formuler device. Now, on a Formuler device, like this is my Formuler Z11 Pro Max. And I'm going to say this, and I stand by it. This is the number one, numero uno, the very best Boxx media device on the market today. I've already proven it several different times, and I'll say one thing about it is game day. No other device has game day on it where you can watch all your sports and get all the stats and know where to go right away while recording it. And no, I don't care what you have. None of them come close to a Formuler. So much so, some of the biggest other, that's not right. The other manufacturers are copying these devices. But here's the trick. On a Formuler device, if you take the remote control and you press the home button twice, it will give you a list of all the applications or all the apps that are open. And I have a lot of them open. Now, one of the things I could do is just hit the red button down there on my remote, and it'll clear all of it out. But what I noticed is if I want to hold something open, like I was watching Arcane there, and if I come over here or whatever, and I want to get to my VPN, then I can just automatically go to my VPN and turn it on. Then if I press this again, now I can go through some of the things that I want to watch. Like I was on my website. So if I want to go back to my website, I can do that from the Zeus browser. If I press the home button twice again, this is where I'm at. So if I want to watch Twitter TV, I think I took it off. I want to go over to YouTube. I can do that. I can just press this right here, and it probably won't take me where I was, but it will open up YouTube again. So you can leave what you want open so you can go back to it whenever you want. If I want to go to Downloader, I can do that too. It's really, really easy and really, really simple. I would try it. Again, the best way to do it is when you're on your home page, just go ahead and press the home button twice, and it will open this up, giving you the ability to move, get rid of, open different applications that you have running in the background. Or you can do what most people do, and they hit the clear all, because if you didn't know this, the more applications you have running in the background, it has been told and proven, by the way, that you will begin to buffer over a long period of time. So having control over those things really helps you out as a consumer and even as a streamer. I'm going to go ahead and hit the red button to clear all, and those things are gone, because if I hit the home button twice, there are no recent items there. Thank you, guys. I want to thank you. That brings us to the end of this video. Hey, as we go into Thanksgiving, life is not perfect for a lot of people, and I have it better than most. And I don't sit on different platforms to get notoriety and all that, but I shouldn't say but. I just think we have a lot to be thankful for. And I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. And if you guys, after Thanksgiving, are really interested in making a deal or getting a good deal on a good device, I mean, I know you have a lot of other people to choose from. I have had all the devices. Look, Superbox, Superstream, VC, you know, they're great, or whatever is out there. Nothing beats a Formuler. Nothing beats our formulas. Our formulas are ready to go with live TV for unlimited time. So you'll have unlimited live TV and everything that goes along with that. We do not add movies or TV shows because there's plenty of applications to do that. We'll make suggestions, you make decisions. It's that simple. Most people like choosing their own stuff like that. So we give you the ability to do that. What really makes me different and my company different is our protection plans. In other words, if anything happens to your box when you purchase ours, you're paying into a protection plan. Some people pay us monthly, some people pay us up front, but that protects you up front, very inexpensive, say $50 for a year of protection. $50? That means if the box breaks, we replace it. If you give it away or whatever, we replace it. We replace everything when you're on that protection plan. And then you also get a person that answers the phone, answers your texts, and helps you. Not a lot of companies doing that because they don't have the back end to do it. We do. So we are the Boxman.com. Support is what we like to do. We're not perfect at it, but we're very consistent. And we've helped thousands of people stream a lot better. And we're looking to help thousands more. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have a Formuler, hit that home button twice. If you got things open, just go back and forth between it. Have a good night. Check the description of the video for the latest box, the Christmas box for $160.